Just 2 months, they're losing about 40% of their traffic. Wow. What the rumor is, right, is that OnlyFans is looking at going public. They've just been a rocket ship. Could have been on its way to monopoly status. We are starting off with a very dominant platform company. Could have been on its way to monopoly status in the, world of risque content, let's say. They've just been a rocket ship. And that company is called OnlyFans. OnlyFans, had become or has become a platform connecting, people that want to put on interesting, less than fully clothed shows and get paid for it. And so, kind of curious then that you see this news, which is that OnlyFans is ready to bar, that means ban, sexually explicit videos starting in October. That's kind of like their whole business. They'll still be allowed to put up nude photos and videos, but they're going to prohibit creators from posting material with sexually explicit conduct on its site. Not really sure what the difference is. I haven't been a user to be able to give you some first-party knowledge. OnlyFans is positioning itself more as a forum for musicians, fitness instructors, and chefs than sex workers. While many of its most popular creators post videos of themselves engaging in sexual behavior, several mainstream celebrities like Bella Thorne, Cardi B, and Tyga have also set up accounts. So they're trying to become more mainstream. What the rumor is, right, is that OnlyFans is looking at going public. And if they want to be a publicly traded company, then, they can't have sexually explicit content on the site. What this reminds me of is, two things. You remember the football player, Plaxico Burress, who shot himself in the thigh with a handgun while he was playing football? Seems a lot like what OnlyFans is doing. That's one analogy. The other one is actually more platform specific, and that would be Tumblr. So, but Tumblr did this move after they were acquired by Yahoo, not before the exit event. Tumblr will ban all adult content on December 17th. This is after Yahoo bought them. And what was some of the legal concern about why Tumblr did that move? There's this law called SESTA and FOSTA, a bill which makes platforms liable for what is said and done by their users if those things are tied to prostitution. So interesting, right? We've talked a lot about Section 230. We had the UCLA First Amendment law professor on the show just recently talking about Section 230 and the protections it gives you. He had a very interesting nuance in terms of the two different parts of Section 230. One of the reasons that we think Tumblr did this was because now they were owned by Yahoo, and Yahoo's legal and lawyers were concerned about violating, a bill like this, and then, having a lot more liability. And then as a result, Tumblr traffic plummets from 520 million visits in that December to 436 million in January to 369 million in February. Yikes. In just 2 months, they're losing about 40% of their traffic. Wow. Very difficult move to make. Very curious why OnlyFans is doing this before the exit event. Even if they want to go IPO, is it really worth it to go IPO if that's what it's going to take? So again, a lot of gray area, what is considered sexually explicit versus like nude. I don't know. But they're clearly trying to protect themselves against something here for probably some reason like going public, but we'll see. Kind of the struggle of being successful with a business where you're just, you're connecting people to give you like nude live shows. So, maybe you shouldn't struggle to go public and just kind of accept the fact that that's who you are. And, you know, the whole bridge to like musicians and fitness instructors and chefs, kind of seems like a pretty big jump, but good luck with that, OnlyFans. Hi, I'm Alex. Thanks for watching the show. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, but even better, make sure to follow us on Odyssey, follow us on Rumble, and text us 203-646-5159. Text the word Monopoly. You'll be subscribed. You'll get updates about when we're going live, our latest videos, and we'll send you even a little goodie bag. And in the event that we all get banned from big tech, we'll still be connected.